Hi, this is Chef Sabi and I'm here stuck like all of you out there. So here I am cooking one of my most favorite recipes. The one that I miss about Delhi the most is Delhi's street food, especially the late night street food. To eat this very favorite what we call the potli pulao or the yakhni pulao or the Muradabadi biryani. It's a one-pot recipe. I'm stuck in my kitchen, which is almost not a kitchen, just a sink top with one induction plate and one rice cooker. So large part of my cooking is through a rice cooker. So I'm going to quickly show you the ingredients and then put everything in the pot, and it's literally like fill it, shut it and forget it. So there you go, I have my rice cooker and literally this and an induction plate is what I'm working out of. So I've measured the rice through this and this is what I have soaked about 30 minutes back, and chicken is about 500 grams. So this is going to be probably 200 odd grams of rice, 250, and similarly I'm going to measure the water through this because it's very important that you get the water and the rice ratio correct. So I'm going to put some oil quickly. You can use any regular vegetable oil or any kind of oil that you like. So very important, I have cinnamon, star anise. Now this is anybody who knows me knows that I am absolutely fond of star anise. There you go. So this is very, very important and critical. Without this recipe is incomplete. And then of course some black pepper, some cloves. Yeah, so that's all that you need for this recipe. I've taken about that much to show you the quantity, all in the oil together, and then a bit of zeera. Now everything has to go into the pot together. The oil should heat up a little bit. In a while I'm going to shut the pot and quickly slice up a little bit of onion. I'm going to wait for the pot to warm up a little bit. I'm going to do my onions. So I like chicken with bones, so I'm going to go with chicken with the bones, and I'm going to just quickly put the chicken now because the rice cooker also needs a bit of a wait for it to start cooking, or let's say at least start heating. So there you go, I'm taking chicken with bones. So that's it, the chicken that was marinated for 30 minutes with the ginger garlic paste inside the pot. I'm going to just warm it up, or what we call like a quick yakhni I will create out of this for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to let the chicken cook for 5 minutes and then I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients. So hold on till I kind of wait for another 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you when I'm putting the rest of the stuff. The good part of this recipe is that if you are a family of 2 and you have kids at home, this is more than sufficient because I put 2 legs and thigh, so which is 4 large pieces, and I've chopped up 1 chicken breast because if there's somebody who doesn't really like too much of bones and all, can also be eating the lovely chicken breast. Normally the chicken also gets a lot of not lot, like a cup of dahi. In the same recipe put about a cup, not a full cup, but let's say half a cup of dahi. But what I don't have dahi right now at home, so what I'm going to do, I have some leftover buttermilk from yesterday, like charge, what we call. There you go. I have my charge, so I'm going to measure up some charge. Normally it is that cup of dahi that is put along with the chicken, but what I'm doing is what I have best at home, and I think it also will bring in another kind of rounded flavor and texture to this amazing recipe of the Muradabadi chicken biryani. So there you go, the chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes now, but there you go. So that, yeah, wow, lovely aroma. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some green chilies now in it. Now the green chilies are not slit or chopped, it's just like whole green chilies, if you can see. Then I will put a squeeze of fresh squeeze of lime. So there you go, that's my soaked 1 cup of rice. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's 1 cup of soaked rice, all goes in together. So yeah, all of it is in. I have to now measure my buttermilk and my water, which is very, very critical. So I'm going to do a cup of water, which is very, very important for this recipe. I told you that the measuring of the water is very critical. So there you go. The chicken, I put the green chilies. I'm going to put a nice squeeze of lime. I'm going to just squeeze the lemon. There you go, and I love the rind, so I'm going to just throw in the rind into the pot. And last, I'm going to put is the rice. So there you go. I have my 1 cup water. I warmed the water a bit, but you can put whatever water you like. So 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. I'm going to put half a cup of buttermilk, and another half a cup of water. So there you go, 1 cup and a half. That's 1 cup and a half, and my buttermilk, which will also add moisture and tang. There you go. So everything in. I'm going to give it a quick stir. So there you go. I'm just and once you put the rice, we're never going to stir it because it might break the rice. So you have to be very, very careful. And everything is in the pot. Fill it, and now shut it. Voila! See how beautiful every single grain of rice. I don't know if you can see it or not. Every single grain of rice is separate, and your chicken is nicely cooked, looking pink. Still, the nimbu has surfaced, the mirchi is surfaced, all the spices have found their own place. It's like a beautiful puzzle, you know. So there you go. This is the biryani. I'm going to quickly put it out on a plate for you to see how it is looking. This is my go-to most comfort meal, and enjoy it. Share it with your friends and family. Let me know if you like the recipe, and stay safe, stay home, and I look forward to seeing all of you out there very soon. Cheers.